What is harder to study, freehand drawing or technical drawing? And the answer is freehand drawing. Technical drawing is always going to be easier because it's predictable, it has a final end. Freehand drawing, on the other hand, is infinite. You can focus on a drawing and still get it better and better and better and better. You just put it in, after hour after hour of studying and drawing, and it's still not there. So that alone makes freehand drawing very complex. That's why I use the 5-step formula. Number 1, thumbnail sketch, then fill the thumbnail sketch, fill the drawing with lines. Number 3, thicken everything with a ruler and add the cast shadows. Number 4, hatch materiality and shadows, so the different materials you have on your drawing and the shadows. And number 5, re-thicken the important edges and lines. Okay, that's the technique I use, so I get constant results with freehand drawing, so it's not as complex or conceptual as it tends to sometimes be, right? So again, the answer is freehand drawing is more complex. So go on and start drawing those perspectives only by freehand, please. The more you go on sketching with a ruler, the more you're going to get into trouble. Trust me on this. 5-step formula. Boom. Thumbnail sketch, fill the sheet with line drawing, freehand line drawing, thicken everything with a ruler and add the cast shadows, hatch everything, as in materials and shadows, and re-thicken the important edges and lines. Boom. There you go. Take care, draw nicely.